update on the Talon. I got an AEM wideband. I'm running the white background. I think that looks pretty sweet with the chrome. Has more pop. And then the pillar I got from Glow Shift, which ain't the best brand, but it works. I got it for the Eagle Talon, or the DSMs, and you can see it doesn't fit the best, but I took this off. I had the pillar off while I put the pillar pot on. Screwed it, looks kind of tacky, but then I blacked it out, so it doesn't look too bad. So now I got my wideband all hooked up. That looks really weird on camera, but yeah, there she is. Wideband is in.